There's another bullseye over here.
Wait, maybe you shoot like. Oh yeah. So shoot this. Is there a white thing there? Shoot your.
Oh, and then I go back. Wait, and then you
No,
jump.
you
You jump. You jump.
right.
You do. You do. You do.
Yeah. I do.
Wait, but I'm stuck in here now.
Oh, right. There we go. What's in there?
We have to get that cube somehow. So we have to jump here.
Has a look, now the pitch. And here's a high hit ball, and it'll hover over a bit out towards left center. And he'll get there in plenty of time to put this one away. And that's out number one. Soaring ball to the left. He's got a base hit. Carlos Carrasco will step to the plate with one in and one away. He'll swing at the first pitch, but it'll bounce foul for the first strike. A hit towards the opposite side, and it'll follow down the right line. And this looks like it'll be fouled away. This will get some good altitude and will travel down the left field line. And that'll be a base hit for Carrasco. On his way to third on the long single is Luplo. Francisco Lindor to stand in. He popped out in his first at-bat. Tipped over the mound. And that's in there for a base hit. And they're on the board. It's an RBI single for Lindor. Bradley Zimmer will get his first opportunity now. He singled and later scored his first time. A pause, and now the pitch. There's a ground ball hit towards third. Carrasco will take the turn and head for home. And he'll make it safely to third as they'll have runners on the corners now. Batter coming up now is Domingo Santana. He's 1 for 1. Fouled straight back. From the belt, the pitch. Straight rocket down center field. That's in there. Base hit. 1 run has scored. It's now 4-0 Indians. Coming up to the plate is Jose Ramirez. He flew out his last time up. He got just the top of that one as it is grounded out to first base. There's a drive to deep right. It's a gunner. That will be home run number 3 for the season. And the Indians take a 7-0 lead. Here's Carlos Santana. Bases are empty, 1 man out. And pitch. Grounded, foul. He's ready now, the pitch. On the ground to third. And that is gonna be a base hit. Rounding first is Santana on his way to second now. And he hustles his way to second as he earns a 2-base hit. Roberto Perez will dig in. He grounded out his first time. He waits. Now the pitch. Foul straight back. And the pitch. Here's a hit, and it'll be a ground ball. He'll get home for a run with that. And the runner comes in from second. It's an RBI single for Perez. Cesar Hernandez will get another attempt at it. He's 0 for 1. The pitch. Popped up right side. Blackman will make the catch. And that's out number 2. Jordan Luplo will stand in here. He singled in his last plate appearance. Now a ball lined to the right side. And this is going to find the alley. Should be extra bases for Luplo. Carlos Carrasco will go for another one. He's 1 for 1. Fouled back. Throw is on the way. It swung on and lifted high towards the right line. And this ball's hit in the air down the right side and out of play. Fouled off to the right. Here comes Here's a swing and a high pop-up, drifting towards the first base dugout. Now the pitch. Swing and a ball hit on the ground. Story will make a play. Let's take a look at today's lineup. The righty will move up to the mound. Tony Walters coming up next. First pitch coming. A strike on the outside corner. 0-1. Here's the pitch. Walters swings through. Strike two. Here's the windup. Now the pitch. He struck him out. Strikeout number 1 for Carrasco. It continues to be 8-0. Francisco Lindor will lead things off. He's 1 for 2 up to this point. Smashed high in the air in the opposite direction to the right. Power. Now here's the pitch. Fastball called strike. The 0-2 to Lindor. The fastball misses low. On the ground to second. McMahon makes the play. 1 out and nobody on. 1 down in the inning, and the batter coming up is Bradley Zimmer. That's ripped into left. Stepping up now is Domingo Santana. He's 2 for 2. Ball spinning back and out of play. No ball, 1 strike. Swung on, and it's popped up, heading towards foul territory. And this one is turning into a foul ball. Swung on and softly driven on the ground. Jose Ramirez will come in. He's 1 for 2 so far. Strike. Here he comes. And here's a ball that gets lifted high up. There to take it. Carlos Santana will get another shot. He's 1 for 2 with a double so far. Strike 1 at the